getting close to people is scary for me, but that's where the growth is. I just struggle socially or whatever. I believed that I'm never gonna be friends with Americans. Esalen showed me again and again that I can change the script of my life. For the first time in my life, I danced with a lot of people, and I had never danced with people prior to that. And I experienced this ecstatic, blissful, like free, that I had never felt so free in my body and so happy. For the first time, I really like got close to people, like to friends, and trusted them, and like allowed myself to be held, to be like physically held and emotionally held. I feel like Esalen, for a lot of people, including myself, it brings up a lot of um, things that are already inside us. Self-defeating patterns, just ghosts. Like they come out, and we get to face them and cry and suffer, but then like feel through it and emerge differently. Allowing myself to be more and more authentic. I want to be more vulnerable. I want to be more intimate and just express what I really feel and what I really want.